Welcome to DIY Landscape Supply. Are you ready to elevate your garden or yard? We've got the perfect solutions for you with our premium mulch options. First up, our premium black mulch. This sleek, dark mulch provides a striking contrast against your plants and flowers. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Next, we have our premium brown mulch. This rich, natural-looking mulch blends seamlessly with any garden setting, giving your landscape a fresh, well-maintained look while nourishing the soil and reducing maintenance. And don't forget our premium redwood mulch. With its vibrant red hues, it adds a touch of elegance and warmth to any garden. It's perfect for enhancing visual appeal and providing excellent soil coverage. At DIY Landscape Supply, we ensure quick and reliable delivery right to your doorstep. Whether you're working on a small project or a large landscaping job, our team is here to help. Transform your outdoor space with our top quality mulches. Visit us at DIY Landscape Supply to order your premium black, brown, or redwood mulch today.